Hi there, in this video I'm gonna learn you a little trick help you to solve our lesson today, which is multiplication as scaling. Look at this exercise. It takes from us more than one step to compare both of these sides. First, convert mixed number to improper fraction, then multiply fractions, then compare the product with the mixed number on the right to know which side are greater than the other, or if both sides are equal. Instead of doing all of these steps, we want to compare without multiplying. But before that, we need to know what is the difference between these expressions. We have here 2 and 5th. It's a mixed number, and any mixed number is greater than 1. 8/3. It's improper fraction, and any improper fraction is greater than 1. But how can we know that an improper fraction? In the improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. 3/4. It's proper fraction, and any proper fraction is less than 1. How do you know? In the proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. Look at here. X out of x, 4 out of 4, 3 out of 3. X out of x means any number out of the same number. So all of these fractions are equal 1. If you want to know more about mixed number, improper fraction, proper fraction, whole numbers, and the difference between all of these expressions, definitely you should to watch this video called Mixed Numbers. Now let me learn you a little trick to solve this exercise without multiplying. First step, put circle around the same number. Look at the left side here. 1 and 2 out of 5 is multiplying by half. Half is proper fraction, and any proper fraction is less than 1. When you multiply the number by number less than 1, the product is gonna be less than the other number on the right. So the product here less than 1 and 2 out of 5. Exercise 2. Before you solve, put circle around the same numbers, which is 5 and 3rd. Now we have 5 and 3rd times 5 out of 6. 5 out of 6 is proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator, and proper fraction less than 1. When I multiply my number here on the left by number less than 1, the product is gonna be less than the other number on the right. So the product here less than 5 and 3rd. Exercise 3. First, put circle around the same numbers, which is 1 and 2 out of 7. 1 and 2 out of 7 times 5 out of 5. What the product here? Look at my number, multiplied by 5 out of 5, and as you know, 5 out of 5 or any number out the same number equals 1. When you multiply any number by 1, the product gonna be the same number. So the product of the left side is equal to the number on the right side, 1 and 2 out of 7. Exercise 4. First step, put circle around the same number. 4 and 3rd times 2 and 2 out of 7. Look at my number here, multiplying by 4 and 3rd. 4 and 3rd mixed number, and any mixed number greater than 1. When I multiply my number by number greater than 1, the product is gonna be greater than the other number on the right. So the left side is greater than the right side. Before we end this video, remember with me, if you want to compare here without multiplying, look at your number on the right side and on the left side. If your number multiplied by number less than 1, like proper fraction, the product is gonna be less than the other number on the right. And if your number here multiplied by number greater than 1, like mixed number or improper fraction, the product is gonna be greater than the other number on the right. And if your number multiplied by 1, and you know that any number times 1 equals the same number, so the product is equal the other number on the right. If you like this video, press the like button. Also remember to subscribe the channel to get your latest lessons right here on the YouTube.